next we are discussing property number 5. So property number 5 is integration 0 to 2a fx dx. Okay, so this integration we can write is what? Integration, lower limit is 0 only, upper limit will change. Okay, upper limit what will come? 2a is what? Here upper limit, so 2a divided by 2. Okay, 2a divided by 2 is what? A will come. So here limit will come what? A, half of this one. So 0 to a fx as it is plus f of upper limit of this one is what? 2a. So upper limit 2a minus x dx. Okay, so 0 to 2a fx dx we can write 0 to a fx plus f of 2a minus x dx. So this is your property number 5. Now we will discuss proof. Okay, so how to do proof? So we are taking LHS. So LHS is what? 0 to 2a fx dx. So in this one we are using property number 3. So here 0 to 2a, a will come in between will come. So we are separating at a. So this one we can write 0 to a fx dx plus a to 2a fx dx. Okay, so we are separating at a. So here a will come upper limit and here a will come at lower limit. Okay, so this one if you combine here, what will come? 0 to 2a fx dx will come. So this is property number 3. Now this one we are taking what? I1, and this one we are taking I2. Okay, so this integration 0 to 2a fx dx, it will become what? I1 plus I2. Okay, I1 we will take as it is, I2 we will simplify. So I2 is what? This one. So I2 is integration a to 2a f of x dx. Okay, so here we are doing substitution. So instead of x, what we are putting? X equal to 2a minus t we are putting. Okay, so instead of x we are putting what? 2a minus t. Okay, so 2a is what? Constant. Okay, so we are differentiating this one. So dx equal to what will come? 2a differentiate what? 0, minus is outside, t differentiate dt will come. Okay, so if we are changing x in terms of t, so limit also we have to change. Okay, so here we are integrating with respect to x, so limit is what? X equal to a to x equal to 2a. So here x is what? X equal to is what? Lower limit. So if I put x equal to a, lower limit, then lower limit of t what will come? A equal to 2a minus t. So t equal to what will come? A. So lower limit is what? A. This is lower limit. Now upper limit is what? 2a. So if I put x equal to 2a, then what will come? 2a equal to 2a minus t. So t equal to 0. This is upper limit. Okay, so this integration will become what? I2 equal to integration, lower limit of t is what? A, upper limit of t is what? 0, f of, instead of x what we can put? 2a minus t, and instead of dx what we can put? Minus dt. This will come. Okay, so here I2 what we can write? So this one we are writing here I2. Okay, so I2 what we can write? A to 0 f of 2a minus t minus dt. So what we are doing here, we are interchanging the limit. Okay, so this limit if you interchange, what will come? Minus sign will come. Okay, so here what will come? Integration, minus sign will come, 0 to a f of 2a minus t, and here what will come? Minus of dt. So minus of dt, so minus we can take outside. So what will come here? Minus 1 into dt will come. Okay, minus of dt we can write, minus 1 into dt we can write. So this will come what? I2 equal to minus of minus 1 is what? Plus 1. So this will come 0 to a f of 2a minus t dt will come. Okay, now here what we can do, instead of 2a minus t, we can put what? 2a minus x. Okay, because here you can see here 2a is same. Okay, coefficient of t is what? Minus 1, coefficient of x is what? Minus 1, t power is what? 1 and x power is what? 1. So same only. So we can put, instead of 2a minus t, we can put 2a minus x. So what will come here? I2 0 to a f of 2a minus x dx. Okay, this is I2. So here if I put I1 and I2 value, so I1 value is what, this one only. Okay, so we know integration 0 to 2a fx dx equal to, okay, I1 is what, this one. Okay, so I1 is this one. So if you put I1, what will come? 0 to a fx dx plus I2. I2 is what, this one, 0 to a f of 2a minus x dx. Okay, so what will come here? 0 to 2a fx dx equal to what you can write here? 0 to a we can take common, and this one we can write fx plus f of 2a minus x dx. This one we can write. This is only property number 5. So this is your proof. Next we are discussing property number 5 in different form depending on the function. Okay, so this property we can write in terms of different form depending on the function. Okay, so here we are taking first case 1. What is case 1? If f of 2a minus x equal to fx. What is the meaning of this one? For that we will apply functional equation. So f of 2a minus x equal to f of x, we can write as what? If I replace x with x plus a, okay, we are using here functional equation. So what will come here? F of 2a minus x plus a. Instead of x, what we are writing? X plus a equal to, here also we are writing f of x plus a. This we are writing. So here what will come? F of, in bracket, 2a minus of plus a. So 2a minus a will come. So what will come? A minus x equal to f of x plus a, we are writing what? A plus x. This we are writing. So what is the meaning of this one? Okay, meaning of this one is what? Function is what? Fx. Fx is symmetric about x equal to a. Okay, so what is the function will come? This is suppose x-axis, okay, and x equal to a is here. Okay, what is the meaning of this one? If I go from this point, a distance this side, x distance this side, okay, if I talk about in function x distance, so what will come here? A plus x. Okay, and if I go in this left hand side, okay, so if I go this distance, x distance left hand side, if you are going in left hand side, so this point will come what? A minus x. Okay, so at this point function value what will come? F of a minus x, and at this point function value what will come? F of a plus x. If this function value, both function value will be same, then we can say function is symmetric. Okay, here x is what? Variable. So x is what? Different values possible. X belongs to what? R. If I take x belongs to R, that means every value, for every values these two will be same. Okay, that means function will what? Symmetric. It will be mirror image with respect to x equal to e. Okay, so if fx is symmetric about line x equal to a, okay, then we can say that f of 2a minus x equal to fx. Then this integration will become what? 0 to 2a fx dx equal to 0 to a fx plus f of 2a minus x, we can write what? Fx. Okay, so this will become what? F of x dx. Okay, so this is equal to what now? 2 times integration of 0 to a fx dx. Okay, so in short what you have to remember, if f of 2a minus x equal to fx, then we will use this form. Okay, next case is case 2. In case 2 what will happen? If f of 2a minus x equal to minus of fx. Okay, what is the meaning of this one? Okay, so here also if you use functional equation, instead of x you are replacing x plus a. So what will be f of 2a minus x plus a equal to minus of f of a plus x. This will come. So this one we can write what? F of, in bracket, 2a minus a. So what will come here? A minus x equal to minus of f of a plus x. What is the meaning of this one? Okay, so here if I take this point E, okay, and right hand side we are going x distance this side, so this point is what? A plus x, and left hand side if I go x distance, then this point is what? A minus x. This will come. Okay, see this is 0, so one distance if you are going this side, so point will come at 1, and if you are going left hand side, what will come? Minus 1. Correct na? So left hand side we are going, so we will subtract. Okay, and right hand side we are going, so we will add. Okay, now what is the meaning of this one? Okay, so what is happening here? F of a minus x is what? Minus of f of a plus x. Okay, suppose f of a plus x value is what? This one. Okay, f of a plus x. Okay, then f of a minus x value what will come? Minus of this value. Suppose this value is 2, then this value what will come? Minus 2 will come. That means we can say that this will come what? Here, f of a minus x value will come. Okay, and what is the relation between these two values? If I multiply here minus, okay, we'll get this value. Okay, that means what will happen? Their magnitude will be same, but sign is different. Okay, if I take modulus of this one and modulus of this one, both will come what? Same, but sign is different. Okay, so this will come for x belongs to R will come. X belongs to R. Correct? See, whatever point we will take in this side. Okay, suppose some point we will take here, so this point is coming. Okay, so same point here is coming, so this point will come. Okay, so here we can see that fx is symmetric about point x equal to a. Okay, so here fx is symmetric about x equal to a will come. Okay, that means from a, suppose curve is coming above, then left hand side curve will come below. Okay, or right hand side curve is coming as below, then left hand side curve will come what? Above will come. Okay, so it will change. Like symmetry means what? Suppose this is the point A, like the curvature, so here what will come? This curve. Correct? So you can see this point is what? A. Okay, so A to this distance, suppose this distance we are going one distance. Okay, one distance, this length is what? 1. So this point is what? A plus 1, and this side also one distance if you are going, so this point is what? A minus 1. So this is what? Positive, then this is negative. Similarly, this one is what? Negative, then this will come what? Positive. Okay, if I want, this is what? Suppose this length is what? From here to here 2. So this point is what? A minus 2. Similarly, this length also what? 2. So here what will come? A minus 2 will come. This is plus 2. Sorry. So it will come what? Symmetric. So fx is symmetric about point x equal to a, we can say. Okay, so if this case will come, then f of 2a minus x equal to f minus of fx, then what will come here? This integration will come 0 to 2a fx dx equal to integration 0 to a fx plus f of 2a minus x value is what? Minus fx. So this is what? Minus of fx dx. This will come. Okay, so fx minus fx is what? 0. So integration 0 to 2a fx dx. This will come out 0. Okay, so when f of 2a minus x equal to minus of fx will come, then we can say integration 0 to 2a fx dx will be 0. Okay, so these two cases will be there. Okay, otherwise if you don't remember this case, then apply this formula. This is your main formula. Okay, every time you will apply this formula.